Ready to untangle your automation Woes and unlock the power of Google Cloud right inside N8n. First, let's get your Google Cloud account ready. Make sure you have a Google Cloud project set up and billing enabled, which you can do directly from the Google Cloud console. Now navigate to IAM Admin, and then Service Accounts. Click Create Service Account. Give your service account a descriptive name, like an N8n integration, and a clear ID and a description to easily identify it later. Then, click Create and Continue. In the Grant this service account access to project section, select the necessary roles for the Google Cloud services you plan to use within N8n. For example, if you want to use cloud storage, give your new service account the storage admin role. Click Continue, and then Done. Back in the service accounts list, find the service account you just created, and then click on the Actions menu. The three dots on the right side, select Manage Keys. Click Add Key. Then create new key. Choose JSON as the key type. Click Create. A JSON file will automatically download to your computer. This is your service account key. Keep it safe and secure, as you will need it to authenticate with Google Cloud from N8n. Now, head over to your N8n instance and go to Credentials. Click Create New Credential and select Google Cloud. Choose JSON key as the authentication method, and then copy and paste the entire contents of your downloaded JSON file into the JSON key file field. And that's it. Now you're ready to start building workflows that leverage the incredible power of Google Cloud within N8n. Unleash your automation potential.